This is a battle-hardened dinosaur, dude. So most of y'all know we do have a little bit of a lean going on with Baby Squat, and I know there's a lot of people that have left comments wanting to see the truck with this setup on it leveled. So today we're going to be taking the drop shackles out and checking out the truck, what it looks like without the little bit of lean. I think the lean gives it the perfect amount of aggressiveness. I think if it's perfectly level, you kind of lose that. It's just personal preference. We are going to swap back to the factory grille and headlights. I know this is a big controversial thing. It was something that a company reached out to me and wanted me to showcase their product, so it's kind of a no-brainer that I was going to do it and did do it. So I mean, just think about it that way. It makes total sense. I do really like the lights, and they're going to be making a comeback in a little bit of a different way. I don't want to give it away. It's going to be pretty cool, I think. But we're going to go ahead and swap those out because I got some different ideas I want to do first. And then we'll unsquat this thing and see how it looks. Just like that, the old front end is put back together. I definitely do think this is a super clean look. My whole point with the headlights was to film that, obviously, for that company, but then as well have me an extra set of lights, so when I ship these out to get clears in them, I won't have my truck down. I will be able to use them. I'm not doing that quite yet because I have a couple other plans, but we will be sending these out, and then I'll have the other ones to use. So I mean, for the people that can't fathom that, it's all good. But anyways, let's go ahead and turn the truck around, get this thing jacked up. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. We got, well, also, I don't think I'm gonna put the inserts back in there. I think I'm gonna sell them. I think it looks better without them. Earl's down here in the basement. So I could either get it out or just turn this thing around and take the drop shackles out and hope it doesn't rain. I think that's what we're gonna try to do. So let's flip Baby Squat around and get those drop shackles out. So this is for anyone that doesn't know what drop shackles are. This is your stock one, stock height. It's what holds your leaf spring to the body of the truck. You can get a longer one, and it will then allow the leaf springs to go higher up, and the body will actually drop down. This is a adjustable 1 to 2 inch. This has obviously been set on the 2 inch. So that's all it is. It's super easy to swap in and out. 2 bolts, obviously. If you go through the route of swapping your bolts or cutting your bolts like I did, so that you don't have to take your hitch out, because you will have to do that the first time. I'll put a link to that in the description. Y'all have seen me install drop shackles 5 million times. If you want to see how I do that, I'll put a link to it in the description. I don't want to bore y'all with that, so I'm gonna get to it and I'll catch up with y'all when this thing's level. Alright guys, well I was just cruising by and I saw this kind of cool place, so I figured I'd stop here, try to get some pictures, but my iPhone is freaking croaked over, so GoPro is not the best on taking pictures. But anyways, kind of cool up here. Y'all let me know what you think. You happy with the old front end, and are you happy with it being leveled? I think I tried to get some roller shots. I might not have, might have just been this simple stuff. But I mean, it looks good, I won't lie. It does look good leveled. For the people that like the leveled look, here you go. I think it's not as bad as I thought. I thought it was gonna make the rear tire look really goofy and sucked in and just not appealing at all. I don't think it has that effect. I think it does look still pretty good. I think a little bit of squat, like I had before, does look the best, but it's definitely not ugly. I will say that for the leveled boys out there, it's not ugly. Okay, I'll give you that. So for the ones that like the squat, I'm sure it will return at some point, but for the time being, this is what you got. Absolutely beautiful day. This is being filmed the day after the hurricane came through here, which we just, you know, didn't really come through here. We got the outer bands or whatever, but man, it's just freaking gorgeous. Just, let's back up and just, oh, we got a wild clap wagon. It's just gorgeous out here. Humongous propane tank. I was gonna go over there and take some pictures back this way, but I was like, you know what? I don't feel like blowing up. I don't want to get any weird crap or have the police called or anything. So, yeah, but definitely some. This truck is just beautiful whenever it's just simple and clean like this. I know a lot of people were iffy on the headlights, and like I said, it was just something that I had to do for the time being. It's just one of those things, being a YouTuber. It's just, you gotta do that. Definitely comment down below, let me know what you like better, the squatted look, a little bit of a lean, or this leveled look. Or heck, even if you like rake, you want me to put a lift on the back of this thing. It is stock in the rear, so it's probably right at, if not just a tiny bit higher in the front still. I could put a lift on the back, throw me a block in there or something. I don't know, probably won't do that, but comment down below if you think I should. Let me know what you think. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all can't see, but my guy got leeches on him. This is a battle-hardened dinosaur, dude. Look at those freaking claws, like bear claws. Alright, bro. You need to get across this road real quick, fast, and in a hurry so you don't get splattered by somebody. I'm gonna cruise on by you and let you live. But you be safe now. Get out there. You just keep living your long life. You're probably like 100 years old. I feel you. You have a good one, Mr. Turtle. I'll see you later. All right, boys, we're really about to test out the X-Comp, see what this off-road capability is like. I'll be able to give y'all a real world test right now. Let's go. All right, the front made it through. Oh, a little bit of slippage. Oh, we barely made it. So can confirm X-Comp's 10 out of 10. You will not get stuck anywhere. Point proven right there. Example A, done.